Gold has been absolutely insane. We have reached all-time highs, we have seen huge moves, and honestly, a lot of traders were destroyed because they couldn't stop chasing candles. But I have some good news, and I have a confession to make. First, the news. Victor and I just crossed the 7% mark on phase 2 of Axi Select, and the Do It Gold Guardian EA had a crazy week catching that trend. You can literally verify it on my Forex book right now. And meanwhile, the Alpha Pulse AI barely took a trade. And this is actually a good thing. But here's the confession. How we passed this 7% wasn't just luck, and it wasn't exactly how you think. There is a secret behind this result that I haven't shared on this channel yet. I'm going to reveal exactly what that is at the end of this video. But first, let me show you why one EA had a crazy week while the other one stayed silent. Let's start with Axi. This is phase 2 and we just crossed the 7.5% mark. And if you are new to funded style programs, here's the mindset. The game is not about one perfect trade. It's about not doing something stupid on the wrong day. Most people don't fail because they are dumb. They fail because they overtrade. So crossing this 7.5% with controlled risk, that's the real win. Now look at gold. This is what I call a runaway trend. It goes up and it barely breathes. This is where manual traders get trapped. You buy late because of FOMO. Then you get a pullback. You panic. You close. And it keeps going forever. And at the end, it destroys you. So the real question is, do you have a system that can benefit from trend without forcing entries when the time is bad? This is my Gold Warden account, and again, this is separate from Axi. This is just a public account so that you can see the real behavior. What I like about this system is when the regime is trend, it can actually participate instead of freezing. It's not trying to predict tops, and it's not trying to be clever. It's more like, okay, trend is strong, manage the ride. And weeks like this, that's when it really shines. Now, Alpha Pulse AI barely traded, and some people just text me saying like, Diego, is this broken? No, this is actually a feature of this preset. It's filtering a lot because in runaway markets, the worst thing you can do is to start chasing price with bot entries. A bad EA tries to trade everything. A good bot has the courage to say, let's stay out of this. Okay, remember that confession I teased at the start of the video? Here it is. To pass this 7% milestone on Axi, I didn't just rely on Alpha Pulse AI or the Gold Guardian. I actually used a portfolio of about 8 different EAs running at the same time. Why? Because I want to sleep at night. If you depend only on one strategy, your account lives and dies by the one mood of the market. When you have a portfolio, it's like a team. One system is here to attack trends. Another one is there to protect when things get choppy. Another one just stays quiet most of the time. Now, I'm not going to break down all 8 in this video because we'd be here forever, but here's the main idea you can copy even without my exact bots. First, don't stack the same strategy 8 times. And then mix different jobs in the portfolio, like a trend catcher, filter, defense, something slow and stable. That's the difference. It's not about finding the one perfect EA. It's about building something that can survive bad weeks and still move forward. There is no best EA that wins in every single market. Some weeks trend systems sprint. Some weeks chop just kills everything. So if your whole plan depends on one bot, you're taking the hard way. A portfolio is like a team. You have some attackers, systems that benefit from strong trends like Gold Guardian, and you have defenders, systems that protect you when conditions are messy. And this is how you survive long enough to scale. And one more thing, if you don't want to miss anything, join the newsletter. It's completely free and the link is below. This is a very good moment to join because I do have a couple of surprises prepared for you and you will love them. See you in the next one.